Hi there, it's Michelle from CNC Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand. And I just wanted to ask you, did you know that Stampin' Up! Has 3 different types of kits available for you to purchase? These make it very easy for you to get started with your craftings right away. So I'd like to show you the kits that are available in the new current catalog. The kit types are all-inclusive kits, which have everything you need to create beautiful projects, and those are perfect for new crafters, busy crafters, or crafters on the go. There are project kits, which have key components for beautiful projects. You just need to add the additional suggested products to that. They're ideal for creating together with friends or in a party setting. And there are product medleys. Those you start with the set of coordinating products, and then the way you finish it is up to you. You can add your own style and flair and create unique projects as you feel inspired. Those are great for those avid crafters that already have supplies and they just want the base products to put cards together quickly. So let's have a look at the ones that are available now in the annual catalog. The all-inclusive card kits, there are 2 of them shown on page 7. We have the Simply Citrus kit and we have the Looking Up kit. The Looking Up kit was previously available and it is carried over into this catalog. And this Simply Citrus is a new stamping kit. These 2 kits come with everything you need to get started straight away. They have the envelopes, the card bases, they already have some die-cut images printed onto cards, they have the stamps, they have a block included, they have a colored stamping spot for you, and they even have the adhesives as well as some embellishments. So you've got everything you need to get going straight away. They even come with instructions that show you how to put the cards together. Both these kits you will be able to make 15 cards, so you will make 5 different designs and 3 cards of each design. However, you can change it up if you'd like. These kits also come in a nice large box. Everything's in the box ready to go, so you can take it with you traveling. You could wrap it up for a gift for somebody who's starting in their crafting. So they're nice sturdy boxes that can be used afterwards. The kit here, Simply Citrus, there's a close-up view of it here in the beginner brochure, and it shows the different cards you can make. There's a stamp set that comes included, as you can see there. These are the full-size images of the stamp set included in there. An ink spot, a block, colored cards, and embellishments with your adhesives and your thread, including envelopes and areas to stamp on to put your sentiments. So they are very good handy kits to have if you're just starting out, not sure what you need to get, as a gift, as I said earlier, or if you just want something to take with you if you're traveling in the caravan in a small space. It's quite convenient to have with you. The Looking Up set, I'll show a bit closer there, has images already on the card stock, and then you just add the different embellishment. This one has some foil cutout pieces to put on there. The stamps here, you get all those stamps. However, this is the actual size. These are shown at smaller sizes in order to make them fit on the page. So those are the all-inclusive kits. We turn the page over and we can see the project kit that's in this catalog here. Gorgeous Posy is a project kit. So with a project kit, you get all the supplies you need to do the project except for the inks and the stamp set as well as the adhesives. So this is very good for those that already have a supply, or if you need to, it tells you below it what you need to purchase in order to make the cards exactly as they're shown here. So in this kit, you get everything there. It even has a lovely box. This is a box that you can put all your cards in. This kit makes 16 cards, so you get 4 of each type of card. To complete it, as shown there, you would need to buy the stamp set, which is shown here. They've got the full-size image there, and then those others are shown at 40%. You would also need to add inks and adhesives. So they suggest the Stampin' Seal, mini glue dots, dimensionals, and 4 different colors of inks. However, if you have your own at hand, you could just buy the kit and work from there. So that's a project kit. And then there's also a product medley, which is similar to the product suites. However, it's not as expensive and you get different items in here. So for this product medley, the Boho Indigo, you get the stamp set included. You even get dies that match the stamp set. So these images that are grayed out, there's dies that will fit those pieces, as well as there's some extra dies that will do things like cut out leaves. So they don't fit specific stamps, they will just cut out images. So for this you would need a die cutting machine. Comes with the card bases and other elements to embellish it with, as well as some exclusive designer series paper. You won't be able to buy this designer series paper anywhere else in the catalog, so if you like that, it comes in the kit, in this kit only. So with this, you would need to add your own adhesives and your own ink. It does have the stamps, but there is no ink included. So you can change it up and use whatever color you'd like. The nice thing with this kit here is there's a refill kit available. So you could make all those cards. In this case, you make, I'm checking how many cards we make. Actually, it's up to you because they give you everything you can do. So you can make cards, 3D, etc. You don't necessarily make the pictures that are there. You can change it up and make whatever you'd like. But if you want more of these supplies here, except for the stamp and the dies, you can purchase a refill kit. So the refill kit is only $48 because it doesn't come with the stamps or the dies. You will have already purchased those when you bought the original kit. It just comes with the what we call consumables, which are the papers and the ribbons, etc. And that little emblem there shows that the dies on this set will fit in our new mini die cutting machine. And the symbol here, the N, shows that it's a brand new kit, a brand new item that's never been out before. So those are the 3 different types of kits that Stampin' Up! Has available. I hope you've enjoyed that, and if you'd like to purchase any of those items, you can go to my website and michellekritchley.stampinup.net if you live in New Zealand and you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. If you do have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, contact them and ask them about the kits, or you can go on to the website, Stampin' Up! Website, have a look at the kits and find information there. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a good day. Bye.